to build a canoe, it's very important in our island. So because what I'm saying that we're using a motorcycle boat, so we're using oil, so it's damaged our reef. Plenty of our reef is dying. So because of the using oil, and so I choose to build canoe because canoe is much safer, and the thing that we build this canoe, it's around us, the materials, that we don't have to go and buy anything from the mainland. By example like oil, we have to buy oil from the mainland so we can use it. But the canoe, we just use the wind and the sky. We have to know the good weather, the bad weather to sailing the boat. So that's why I choose to build this canoe.
It's a Fijian. It's a Fijian. Our history is sailing. We sailed with a Fijian rowing, and we are supposed to know these things. It's one of these good things that we have learned. I'll try to teach some of the people at my village who wants to know this sailing, how to sail drua, and people who want to build.
I want to know more about the canoe, how to build the canoe, so I could build my own, and want to know more about the canoe. Because I love sailing, I want to sail across the island, so that's why I want to build a canoe. Just teach the small one, those who want to know more about sailing. That's all.
So now we use fiberglass. Fiberglass, we have to buy fuel and everything, but this one is no fuel. You can use it during this climate change. You can save money if you go to the market to sell something. You don't have to buy anything or pay anything. You just go and sell crops and then back home without any money. Yeah, it's helpful. We need more druas. Yeah, it's fishing, and the drua is just a small one, but the village is 150 population inside the village, and I think we need more drua. I think it's old culture. Our great grandfathers always used this